Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Wealthsimple and whether or not it's a broker account. Now, I know that can be a bit of a confusing topic, so I'm going to do my best to break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. But before we get into the details, let's take a quick look at what Wealthsimple is and what it does. Wealthsimple is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment services, including robo-advising, brokerage accounts, and tax-free savings accounts. It's designed to be a simple and affordable way for people to invest their money. So, now that we have a basic understanding of Wealthsimple, let's get back to the question at hand: is Wealthsimple a broker account? The answer is yes and no. It depends on how you define broker account. If you define a broker account as an account that allows you to buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other securities, then yes, Wealthsimple is a broker account. However, if you define a broker account as an account that is managed by a broker, then no, Wealthsimple is not a broker account. Wealthsimple offers two types of accounts. Wealthsimple Invest. This is a robo-advisor account that uses algorithms to build and manage your investment portfolio. Wealthsimple Trade. This is a self-directed brokerage account that allows you to buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other securities on your own. So, if you're looking for a broker account that you can manage yourself, then Wealthsimple Trade is a good option. However, if you're looking for a more hands-off approach, then Wealthsimple Invest may be a better choice. Now that we've cleared up the confusion about whether or not Wealthsimple is a broker account, let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of each type of account. Wealthsimple Invest. Pros. Simple and easy to use, Wealthsimple Invest is designed to be a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to get started investing. Low fees. Wealthsimple Invest has some of the lowest fees in the industry. Diversified portfolios. Wealthsimple Invest builds diversified portfolios for you, which can help to reduce your risk. Tax-efficient investing. Wealthsimple Invest can help you to minimize your tax liability. Cons. Limited control. With Wealthsimple Invest, you don't have as much control over your investments as you would with a self-directed brokerage account. Higher fees than some other robo-advisors. While Wealthsimple Invest's fees are low compared to traditional brokerages, they're higher than some other robo-advisors. Wealthsimple Trade. Pros. More control. With Wealthsimple Trade, you have full control over your investments. Lower fees than traditional brokerages. Wealthsimple Trade has lower fees than most traditional brokerages. Access to a wide range of investments. Wealthsimple Trade offers access to a wide range of investments, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Cons. More complex. Wealthsimple Trade is more complex to use than Wealthsimple Invest. Requires more knowledge. Wealthsimple Trade requires more knowledge about investing than Wealthsimple Invest. So, which type of account is right for you? That depends on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're a beginner investor who is looking for a simple and affordable way to get started, then Wealthsimple Invest may be a good option. If you're a more experienced investor who wants more control over your investments, then Wealthsimple Trade may be a better choice. Ultimately, the best way to decide which type of account is right for you is to do your research and compare the different options available. In addition to the pros and cons that I've mentioned, there are a few other things to keep in mind when choosing between Wealthsimple Invest and Wealthsimple Trade. Account minimums. Wealthsimple Invest has a minimum account balance of $1,000, while Wealthsimple Trade has no minimum account balance. Investment options. Wealthsimple Invest offers a limited selection of investment options, while Wealthsimple Trade offers a wider range of investment options. Customer support. Wealthsimple Invest and Wealthsimple Trade both offer excellent customer support. So, which type of account is right for you? Again, that depends on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're a beginner investor who is looking for a simple and affordable way to get started, then Wealthsimple Invest may be a good option. If you're a more experienced investor who wants more control over your investments, then Wealthsimple Trade may be a better choice. Ultimately, the best way to decide which type of account is right for you is to do your research and compare the different options available. In addition to the information that I've shared in this video, I would also recommend checking out the following resources. Wealthsimple's website, https://www.wealthsimple.com/n-ca. Wealthsimple's blog, https://www.wealthsimple.com/n-ca/magazine. Wealthsimple's YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/wealthsimple. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.